This is RedFeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be showing you an overwrite issue caused by user error. First, let me paint the picture of the beginning of this Kdenlive project. It was a very nice day, and I was excited about developing the project. It was to be a very simple video. In the midst of beginning, I was excited, and as it seemed, everything was falling into place upon the first render of the Kdenlive project. I knew what the main title would be, so in preparing the first render, I named the Kdenlive project, something I normally do not do on a first render, as most projects can take a lot of renders depending on the project, and little did I know, this was the first part of the user error of this overwrite issue in the Kdenlive project. In this Kdenlive video, I have recreated my steps in order to show you how it happened, so hopefully it will aid you, or it will aid my viewers not to make the same mistake. I had been aware of some overwrite issues, although they only seem to appear on a third overwrite. So the video was complete and only required a second render. Keeping the title the same, I went to render, then Kdenlive asked if I wanted to overwrite the project, as the file already existed. I clicked no, thinking of other overwrite issues I had ran into in the past. Instead, I minimized my Kdenlive project and opened the Kdenlive project folder and moved the video in the folder to the desktop, thinking Kdenlive would forget it. This was a second user error on my part. Although it had appeared to work, and as I went to render the Kdenlive project, it did not ask me to overwrite. But when reviewing the rendered video, I had noticed there was a lot of lost, or as some may construe, as corrupted data. I thought, well, this is quite odd for this Kdenlive project. Clipping through the video, I noticed not all the data was affected. And being I had Kdenlive at a minimized state, I decided to take a look at the project in hopes to see what might have gone wrong. I found it quite odd, as Kdenlive had blanked out portions of the video even in the project window, as well as the timeline. Also Kdenlive had copied some of the audio into the upper part of the timeline where the video data appeared. Or disappeared. To be destroyed or corrupted or maybe erased is a better term. So now in playback, I had a dual audio. This only goes to show how when things seem to be going so good, they can turn out so wrong due to user error and not following proper procedure, either in Kdenlive or any other program. Nonetheless, understanding overwrite is no simple task, whether it be for Kdenlive or any other program dealing with video production. I was lucky that this was such a small Kdenlive project that it took no time hardly to recover what appeared to be missing data. Please do not try this at home unless you are a developer trying to recreate the situation for a means to correct an issue you have seen. But like I said, from what I feel, it was my user error. Although in this Kdenlive project, it did appear that the lost video occurred subsequently where I had placed my fade to black, although I am not sure. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some manner. And if so, why not give the video a like? And for that matter, why not become a subscriber? If you are looking for an informative article to read, why not stop by our website and check out some of our articles at http://grephaxs.com. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.